Mama.
How you doing?
Doing good, Mom.
Gonna go to the YMCA later,
Yeah.
and I need to go to Marshall's. I have something to take back, but also we need to get a sweater for Bernie
Right.
because it's cold out now and he doesn't have any hair. So I think we'll stop at Marshall's and get him a sweater. Can you tell me how you feel about moose?
They're big deers with antlers.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Do you have any Webkins that are moose?
Yeah, there's Miller and Minto.
Will you show? One of our viewers loves moose, and she wanted you to show us if you have any moose Webkins.
Here's one.
There's Miller. Can you make him say something to Bug? Say hi, Bug.
It's Miller.
Oh, Miller. Have Miller say hi to Bug.
His name's Miller.
Okay. Can Miller say hi to Bug?
Where's Bug?
No, Bug. That's not our cat. This person that likes moose. That's what.
Hi, Bug.
Where's your other moose? Oh, they're both in the same area.
Yeah, that's Minto.
Oh, Minto, the white moose?
The minty moose.
The minty moose?
Yes.
Has peppermint ears.
Yep.
Can you turn him around so we can see his face? Or is it a girl or a boy?
A boy.
He's very cute. What year is he from?
2015.
What year was your other moose from?
2012.
Monty. Where did you get him at?
At thrift stores.
Feeding the birds. Papa was already done, honestly, but Libby wanted to do it too. She was a little late, so Grandpa let her put some more feed in the feeders. What you want? It's stuck. Drinking your Danimals. Sitting with the cat. How you doing, Bug? It is cold outside, let me tell you. Libby's taking this feeding the birds very serious, getting it just right. One tip I would say for people wanting to know how to get more birds to their yard is have water for the birds. I think that's something that attracts them as well as the feed. Uh-oh. I'm being paged. Yes, Josie? Do you get stuck again? Okay. What do you want to watch?
I like Bluey.
You want to watch Bluey? Okay. It's Princess Josie. Oh, and Bernie's posing too. Do you want to be in the picture? It's another chilly, windy day. We're on our way in to do our exercises. Craig has been so anxious to do this all day. He's been asking me every 15 minutes. Workout accomplished. Now it's time to go buy Bernie a sweater. All right, now we need to stop at Marshall's. As I said before, now it's time to get a sweater for Bernie. Let's see what Craig picks out. And I just got a text from Joe that we need some blueberries and blackberries, so I think we're going to stop at Aldi and get those. Look at this, an Alice in Wonderland teapot. What do you think?
Nice.
Which one do you like best? Mrs. Potts or the Alice in Wonderland
Yeah, I
one?
was wondering teapot.
Yeah, that's a lot of fun. I came here all prepared to get Bernie a sweater, and this is all they have. And they're all too big for little Bernie. We're gonna have to look somewhere else. Maybe some more, but these all look like girls. And I don't think Bernie would appreciate that. Actually, he probably wouldn't care at all. What'd you see, Craig?
Mickey and Minnie pointing Easter eggs.
Oh, yeah. I see. Let's see what's in them. That's so cute. I like that big fat. It's Peter Rabbit, actually. He's cute. They have girl ones. Flopsy. Oh my goodness. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. Adorable. On to Aldi. Maybe they'll have some dog coats or dog sweaters. Craig's got my bags for me, and I've got the quarter. We're ready to go. First things first, we gotta get some berries. Joe's been loving the blackberries. Look how big these are. Those are huge. Might as well get a few. So we've been eating a lot of berries. Now he wants blueberries. So, and the blackberries are $2.29. Blueberries are $4.19. That's more than usual. But it's worth it. These look better. And of course, my favorite, raspberries, are only $1.99. I'm also going to get these and see how they are. They sound delicious and they look delicious. I think we'll try Aldi's brand of the sparkling beverages. I used to like Fresca. I think we'll try that. And maybe the strawberry kiwi. I did find a coat for Bernie. Hopefully I can't decide if he's a small or an extra small. Hard to figure out because he's little, but he also has kind of a big chest. Aldi has so many Easter toys. Things that you put in Easter baskets. And I've really bought the girls quite a bit already. But if I hadn't already bought them bunnies, I'd buy them this one. So cute. They do have these little waffle makers like the ones I used last night to make our chaffles. And they're $7.99. I also have this little bun cake maker. I've never seen anything like this before. I'd imagine it's just like a waffle maker, only you make a different shape. This is nice. It's a silicone liner for your... Well, it says it's a silicone baking sheet, but I think I would put it actually on top of my baking sheet. And these are $5.99. Not a bad price. I think I actually like this better. And I'm pretty sure Bernie would wear a small. It's very cute. It's Aldi gear for dogs. Greg's been waiting patiently for me. You gonna help me carry one of the bags? All right, ready to go home now.
Yeah.
We got 2 bags full of berries and salads and a few other things. We got some jackets for the dogs because I couldn't leave Penny out. This is how Josie plays with her dollhouse. I wanted to show you Bernie and Penny wearing their new jackets.
Come on, help.
I think they look perfect. I love them.
It's all
They're getting their treats for going outside.
And I'm living on the
Look how cute you look. I can't get over how cute you look in that, Bernie. Penny, she's so pretty.
Kevin Goes First by Hannah Taboo. Fox was the first one to see the ladder. Alligator was second. Soon Horse showed up, then Top Duck, then Pig. And before long, all the friends had gathered to have a look at the ladder, including Kevin. What's up there, they wondered. Everyone was curious, and there was only one way to find out. I will go first, announced Kevin. I call caboose, said Horse. I like to go last. Third to last, said Alligator. Second to last, said Pig. I will stay, or maybe I won't, said Top Duck. We want to be first, Fox whispered to Gorilla. What if there's a strawberry donut up there? If Kevin gets up there first, he's going to eat the strawberry donut, said Fox. Remember when he took the first peek inside the treasure box? When he first was the first to press the magic button? And when he got to take the first bite of my freshly baked straight from the oven strawberry cake? Besides, I saw the ladder first But Kevin had already started to climb. Winners go first, he said. I'm winning. Kevin pulled himself higher and higher and a little higher than he liked. He made it to the top before any of his friends, which meant that Kevin was alone, but he did not mind. Until he met Mouse, who was very excited to play with him. It turned out Kevin was not the first one up there, but when he was the first one to call for friends. Kevin was also the first one to celebrate their arrival. And Kevin was the very first one to get on second, which meant he was the first to see the strawberry donuts. The end. And this is Craigie Vever saying, if you like this video, click like and subscribe, and keep on having a great day.